Hey guys, it's Mary, and in today's video I am going to be doing this glowy sun-kissed makeup look for summer. So I hope you all enjoy, and if you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. I'll have all my social media links down below, like my Twitter and Instagram, so you should go follow me on there. And without further ado, let's just hop into the video. So first I'll be starting off with my eyes. I'm just gonna go ahead and prime my eyes with some concealer.
My place, she's got particular taste.
I'll be using the Morphe 35B palette for my eyes. Start off by taking this matte orange shade right here, the Morphe M433 brush, and I'm going to be putting that into my crease and then just blending that all out. Then I'll be taking a more orange shade. I'll be taking the same brush and just deepening that up with that. Then I'll be taking the Morphe M505 brush, and I'll just be blending that all out with this. Next, taking a Real Techniques brush and some concealer, I will be cutting my crease. Then, taking a flat brush and this matte yellow shade right here, I will be packing that all over my lid. Then, taking a precision brush and the same matte orange shade before, I will be patting that again in my crease to make it more defined. Then I'll be taking some more concealer and putting it on the very center of my lid, and then I'll be applying some gold shadow on top. Then, taking the same matte orange shade as before, I'll be putting that on my lower lash line. Then, taking some white liner, I will be putting that on my waterline. Then, I'll be priming my face with the L'Oreal Magic Lumi Primer. And I'll be using the High Beam by Benefit, and I will be putting that on all the high points of my face. Next, I'll be using the Maybelline 24 Hour Superstay Foundation. I'll just be setting my face with the Rimmel Stay Matte Powder. Then I'll be baking with the Airspun Loose Face Powder.
Have to believe you don't remember me.
So here I'm contouring with the Anastasia Contour Kit, and the rest of this footage got deleted, but I just wiped off all the excess powder, and then I went and highlighted my face with the Anastasia Glow Kit in Sun Dipped, and I used Moonstone on my cheekbones, nose, cupid's bow, and chin, and then I'll just be applying the Ardell Demi Wispy lashes. Then I'll just be using some mascara on my top and bottom lashes. Using the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Lip Pencil in the shade Wired. Last but not least, I'll be using the Buxom Gloss in the shade White Russian.
She's got particular taste. Yeah, she's so obsessed with the chase. Yeah, she'd always time on conversation.
I hope you all enjoyed today's makeup look, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. I have all my social media links down below, like my Twitter and my Instagram, so you should go follow me on there if you're not following me already, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.